Topbright, service isn't just support, it's a partnership. From site to satisfaction, we're with you every step of the way. We begin on site, checking every opening, every angle, every spec. Our engineers meet with your team to ensure precision from day one to final inspection.
Okay. Yeah, so what is tall? Not sure, so you don't want any penetrations to come from the top. To let the water fall behind. Okay.
Topbright means full service support, total peace of mind, and doors and windows that exceed expectations. From design to delivery, we handle the details, so you can focus on building. We're hands-on during installation, whether guiding your local crew or stepping in directly. Every frame aligned, every seal tight. Once you're enjoying the view, we're still here. Our after-sales team follows up to check function, comfort, and your peace of mind. From the first sketch to the final install, Topbright creates high-performance door and window systems that meet the demands of today's architects, builders, and homeowners. Every detail is engineered for durability, ease of installation, and energy efficiency, without compromising on design. We build with professionals in mind, tight schedules, code compliance, custom specs, and design for how people actually live: more light, more comfort, more connection with the outdoors.
If you would recommend us to other company, what would you say to us?
Well, I would say that they do great work. They do have great customer service. I bought products from China, Thailand, and Vietnam for years, and candidly, having people that we can speak to in our language is extremely helpful. People that are friendly and very strongly customer service oriented. I think you're also flexible. You know, you guys have accommodated us in having other products that we're shipping in the Guangdong area sent out of your warehouse, and you've sent your products to other places. So we appreciate that flexibility and that sense of partnership.